Hi guys, welcome again to my channel. This is Maria, and today's video guys, I was planning to try my GoPro, but it ended up with nothing. I cannot guys, I cannot. I'm shy on camera. I'm afraid to vlog with the GoPro. So it ended up with another thing. Hi guys, we are here at Daiso, and I want to show you something like this one, this kind of gear. It's a massage gear for massage, for the neck and for the nose. This is for the face, for the nose, for the saan kaya to? Para sa ano? I think it's for the neck also. It's for the neck, and this one's for the neck. See, and this one's for shoulders. So if you have problems with your shoulders, you can have this. And what about this? And also it's for the back. I think it's for the back. Yeah. And what else? Ito pang kamot to. See? For scratching the back, there is extension. You can stretch. I can stretch it. And yeah, that's all for the exercise. That's all for the massage. Yeah, massage gear. And I want to take this one for my tiny stuff. Yes. And how much is this? If I want to have this, it's 34. And This is also for massage for the body. So it's for the body, it's for the leg, for the back, it's for exercise. Yeah. For exercising. What else we can have from the store? What else we can have from the shop? I have this one. It's very nice for my stuff home. Yeah. This one. Yeah, and that one. Ah, no need. Yeah.
تعال ماشيين كريم تعال تعال انت لحد تيجي تعال
Let's eat. Let's eat. And there I'm watching my video. And here, ito salad. Tapos pizza, 2 slice. Chicken. Adobong atay. Yan naman ay laing. Ayan. Let's eat. Ito, tinatry ko yung vegetables. Vegetable crackers. Ayan. Kaun na. Nyam. Okay. Ngayon, day off ko ngayon. Kaya, eto. Saan na yung microphone? Eto, I have to sing with this, guys, kasi off ko. At tapos na ako maglinis. Look at that. Oh, kaon. While singing, mga on. This is where I gonna end this video, guys, and please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.